Hello, and welcome to legaltranslations.net, where we speak the language of your world. We provide tips and tricks for law firms, uh, court reporters, paralegals, legal secretaries, SIU units, um, claims adjusters, anyone that is in the legal field that uses interpreters and translations or needs translations uh, as part of exhibit filing. Okay, this particular video is a little bit different, and I don't know how to say this. Tomorrow I have CME, Certified Medical Examination. Some people call them an independent medical examination. That's how we used to call them several years back. And this is something that I've been concerned with in the past, and I don't care whether you do defense work or you're a plaintiff. I have to say what happens sometimes, so you need to be aware of this. I'm not an attorney. I don't provide legal advice. And if you're not an attorney listening to this, you can turn this video off. This video is not for you. Okay, I'm concerned with, and I've seen this happen, what I call the arthritis doctors. The arthritis doctors. These are doctors that obviously work for the carrier, work for the insurance company, and most doctors are fine. But these arthritis doctors do something that I think is underhanded and is not fair. And usually, plaintiff attorneys are not present at the IMEs. If you can be present at your IMEs, at your client's IME, I would suggest that you go. If your client speaks Spanish or some other language, and you suspect that their level of skillfulness or astuteness is not that high, because this is what happens. You go to the IME. I'm sent there by the insurance carrier, and I have to interpret what the doctor says. And I bumped into this doctor, and the person had, let's say, knee pain or hip pain or whatever. And the doctor goes, people think that they're there they respect doctors, and doctors are highly regarded, honorable individuals in these people's minds. And they're there to help you. You usually go to a treating doctor. You think the doctor is there to help you. And these doctors go and say to the person, "Oh, so your hip hurts, right? That's your arthritis, right? Right? What? Yeah." And they keep on going. In the interview, they keep on asking other questions. And okay, doctor, what is it that you diagnosed me with again? You said I had what? Um, the doctor was trying to get the person to admit that they had a pre-existing condition called arthritis in this particular case, trying to get them, leading them to answer a certain way, trying to get them to fall in a trap. That's the attorney's job. It's not the doctor's job. These freaking arthritis doctors are putting words in the patient's. It's not a patient, it's a client. They're not being treated as a patient. In the patient's mouths, they're being tricked and and trapped and forced to admit things that they have no idea they're doing at the doctor's office. That's unconscionable. If you're a defense attorney, hey, most of you guys, I know you guys personally. You're beautiful people. You're great guys. Be careful with the doctors that you're sending these guys to. They just want to make a quick buck. I mean, they not a quick buck. They have you already in for years as clients. You know, they don't want to lose you as clients. They know they get a lot of work. Maybe they're good intentions. They have good intentions, right? They're trying. They believe this person is tricking you, and they're trying to help you. But listen, this particular case, the guy was just like very humble, no humble origins, very low education. They're there. They think that the doctor's trying to help them. I can't participate. I just have to translate word for word, right? I just need to make sure that the intonation, whatever the doctor says, good or bad, sneaky or not, that my tone of voice matches the tone of voice of the doctor's, and the response as well. Um, So that's basically it, guys. If you have one attorney sent a videographer to a deposition once, to an IME, I don't blame the guy. I don't blame the guy. After I had this experience with the arthritis doctor, heck, I don't I don't like when this happens. It's not fair. I don't like it. I mean, I'm used to attorneys being sneaky, not doctors. But well, there you have it. I hope I didn't offend anybody, any of you defense attorneys out there. You should know what's going on, you know. Thank you very much for listening. Tune in, please subscribe, like, click the notification bell. You get notified every time a new video comes out. Thank you very much. Visit us at legaltranslations.net, where we speak the language of your world.